Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's video, we will fix this HD audio driver failure issue of Realtek in Windows 10. So let's start. You have to just go to device manager. You have to just type device manager in search bar and you have to open this and you have to click anywhere in this page and you have to go to action, and in action you have to go to add legacy hardware, and then you have to click on next, and you have to select this option search for and install the hardware automatically, and it is always be recommended, so kindly click next, and then you have to complete this installation process. So by doing this your issue will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, you have to follow the second step, which is basically you have to go to sound video and game controller in device manager. You have to scroll it down and you will find out the driver here that cause failure into or display audio. So you have to just select it and right click on it and click on uninstall the driver. So after clicking on uninstall, you have to just restart your laptop and your issue will be fixed. If you like my video, so kindly like it and subscribe my YouTube channel.